friends and welcome to our YouTube channel All Rounder Siblings. Today we are going to tell you how to make these types of flowers from these strips that we have saved from in episode number 2. This is our episode number 3, so I am going to tell you how to make these types of flowers. These are different from the episode number 2. So let's start. But before starting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. So the things we need are scale, pencil and eraser, a compass with sharpened pencil, Fevicol, sketch pens, sheets and scissor. So first step is to take 3 cm of measuring in the compass to make a circle. We have taken, so we will make 5 circles and cut them very clearly and safely. We need 5 circles to make one flower. You can use also the colorful sheets, but here I am using white sheet. But after making, we should cut these circles very safely. After cutting out the circles, we should have to take the sketch pens of your choice, only one sketch pens for all 5 circles, and make the border through which it will look very beautiful. After making the border all the sides, we should fold it like this. See this step very carefully. Firstly, we will fold it just from the center and making the whole edge. Okay, after it open and then fold it from center but not full, as in the first step we told you to make the full edge. But in second one fold we should have to make the edge half, by which it will look like a flower. Now as we have folded in half, then take this edge and this one edge and join it together. Similarly, do with this one edge and join it together with the help of Fevicol. Then your pattern look like this. Now I am going to paste it. Pour the Fevicol in the middle one, then paste both one like this and the other side like this. This will look like this. So our one petal is ready. We will do the same with other 4. Again we are going to tell you the how to fold and how to paste. Firstly, we will make the crease from the center, whole edge. After open it, then take the center and fold it half like this, and this should be curved only. After it, the middle edge and the side edge should be pasted together from both sides like this. Now we are going to paste it. Like this, and this one should be like this. and the petals should be look like this. All the petals are ready and they will look like this. Now we should have to open the inside part with the help of a pencil. We should insert the pencil from the back side and open the petals. Okay, it will look like this. See the difference between the both. We will do with all petals same process. After opening the inside petal, it will look like this, and the design will be very clear to all. Now it's time to paste all the 5 petals together. Take petal and pour the Fevicol like this, and take the other petal and paste them together. Similarly, do with all other 3 petals. And the flowers are ready after pasting all the 5 petals together. So it's ready to decorate your home and or your room. Thank you.